बस इंतज़ार करना होगा. You just have to wait. You just have to wait. मैं कैसे शुरू करूँ? How do I start? How do I start? मुझे किसी से सलाह लेनी चाहिए क्या? Should I consult someone? Should I consult someone? नहीं, आप खुद फैसला कर सकते हो. No, you can decide yourself. No, you can decide yourself. तुमने अपनी क्या हालत बना ली है? What have you done to yourself? What have you done to yourself? तुम ठीक हो? Are you all right? Are you all right? क्या हुआ है तुम्हें? What happened to you? What happened to you? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? कसम से मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I didn't do anything, I promise. I didn't do anything, I promise. क्या तुम्हें सच में लगता है कि मुझे तुम पर भरोसा करना चाहिए? Do you really think I should trust you? Do you really think I should trust you? मैं तुम्हें कभी धोखा नहीं दूंगा. I will never deceive you. I will never deceive you. तुम इसे नकार रहे हो? Are you denying it? Are you denying it? हाँ, मैं इससे इनकार कर रहा हूँ. Yes, I'm denying it. Yes, I'm denying it. क्या तुम्हारे पास सबूत है? Do you have proof? Do you have proof? तुम मुझ पर भरोसा करोगे? Will you trust me? Will you trust me? मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. I didn't do anything like this. I didn't do anything like this. आप मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking me? Why are you asking me? आपको मेरी राय से कुछ लेना देना है क्या? Do you have anything to do with my opinion? Do you have anything to do with my opinion? तुम मुझसे क्या उम्मीद कर रहे हो? What do you expect from me? What do you expect from me? मुझे उससे बात करनी चाहिए. I should talk to him. I should talk to him. आप उससे क्यों बात करना चाहते हो? Why do you want to talk to him? Why do you want to talk to him? आपको लगता है कि वो आपकी बात सुनेगा? Do you think he'll listen to you? Do you think he'll listen to you? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. आपने सही फैसला किया है. You have made the right decision. You have made the right decision. मैंने तुम्हारी मदद की. I have helped you. I have helped you. तुम्हारी मदद से मुझे बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ. Your help was very beneficial for me. Your help was very beneficial for me. क्या मैं बदले में तुम्हें कुछ दे सकती हूँ? Can I give you something in return? Can I give you something in return? उसने यह सब कैसे किया? How did she do all this? How did she do all this? उसकी प्लानिंग बहुत बढ़िया थी. Her planning was excellent. Her planning was excellent. मैं आपकी मदद करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. I'm ready to help you. I'm ready to help you. वो सच में बहुत किस्मत वाली है. She is really very lucky. She is really very lucky. उसे हमेशा अच्छी चीज़ मिलती है. She always get good things. She always get good things. उसकी मेहनत का फल मिला है. Her hard work has paid off. Her hard work has paid off. इतने मुश्किल समय में तुम्हें उसका साथ देना चाहिए. You should support him in such difficult times. You should support him in such difficult times. हम उसकी कैसे मदद कर सकते हैं? How can we help him? How can we help him? उसको क्या चाहिए? What does he need? What does he need? मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. I'll come in a while. I'll come in a while. ये बहुत अजीब बात है. It's something so strange. It's something so strange. इसकी क्या वजह हो सकती है? What could be the reason for this? What could be the reason for this? क्या तुम्हें इसके बारे में कुछ पता है? Do you know anything about this? Do you know anything about this? नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. No, I don't know anything anything. No, I don't know anything. क्या मतलब है तुम्हारा? What do you mean? What do you mean? आप क्या साबित करना चाहते हो? What are you trying to prove? What are you trying to prove? क्या वजह है? What are the reasons? What are the reasons? मुझे तुम्हारे बारे में पता है. I'm aware of you. I'm aware of you. मुझे इस पर पूरा भरोसा है. I've completely believe in it. I've completely believe in it. क्या हम कहीं